सफर सिर्फ क्यूरियोसिटी से शुरू होते हैं and Kazakhstan was one of those for me. A country that's barely a 3.5-hour flight from India but feels like you've entered another universe. From futuristic boulevards to turquoise alpine lakes, from luxurious spas to canyons that look straight out of Arizona, Kazakhstan surprises you at every step. So in this video, I'll break down everything. Visa, flights, SIM, language, things to do in Almaty, day trips like Shambulak Ski Resort and Tao Spa, the stunning lakes, Sharon Canyon, plus tips on safety, costs and the best time to visit. So let's dive in. सबसे पहला सवाल होता है वीजा और लोकल सिम कैसे मिलेगा? For Indian passport holders, getting a Kazakhstan visa is simple. You can apply online for an e-visa. It's valid for single entry and costs about ₹6,500. Processing usually takes 5 to 7 working days. For mobile connectivity, buy a SIM at Almaty Airport. The most popular are KCell and Beeline. Around ₹700 to ₹1,000 gets you 10 to 12 GB of data and the network coverage is excellent, even in the mountains. Bas ek tip, always carry your passport when you're buying a SIM because they need it for registration. चलो अब बात करते हैं फ्लाइट्स की। इंडिया से अलमाटी जाना कितना इजी है? Direct flights from Delhi to Almaty just 3.5 to 4 hours. A return ticket usually costs between ₹20,000 and ₹28,000 depending on season and offers. From Mumbai, there are one-stop flights via Delhi or Tashkent. Honestly, the short flight time makes it a perfect quick international trip. एक मूवी देखोगे और उतर जाओगे। लैंग्वेज थोड़ा ट्रिकी हो सकता है लेकिन मैनेजेबल है। The main languages are Kazakh and Russian. English is not widely spoken outside of big hotels and touristy areas, so thoda basic Russian words yaad rakhna can help you, like spasibo, which means thank you. Google Translate is a lifesaver, but people are warm and they'll always try to help you even with hand gestures. Almaty is the cultural hub and I'd recommend keeping at least 3 days here. And here's what you can do in the city. The Paniflov Park and Zenkov Cathedral is a colorful wooden cathedral that survived earthquakes and is beautiful to visit. The Green Bazaar, where you can try fresh fruits, nuts, dried apricots and local cheese, and there's even a clothes shopping market inside. Visiting the Rakhat chocolate factory and its store. जब मैं गई थी तब फैक्ट्री बंद थी लेकिन I could visit the store and it is a must for sweet lovers. Rakhat is Kazakhstan's most famous chocolate brand and the factory outlet has walls stacked with every flavor. Prices are far cheaper than airport duty free, so stock up for gifts. Visit the Central Museum of Kazakhstan. This is one of the largest museums in Central Asia. It's perfect if you want to understand the country's history, nomadic culture, and Silk Road heritage. The Golden Hall with traditional costumes and artifacts is a highlight. Entry is around ₹150 to 200 and you can easily spend 1 to 2 hours here. Plus, Almaty is great for walking. Tree-lined streets, outdoor coffee spots, and mountain views at the end of every road. Now before we move ahead, here's a bonus tip for all of you. If you want everything in one place, ready-made itineraries, trusted tour operator contacts for the lake and canyons, transport detail, costs and budget in rupees, even local hacks, I've made a detailed Kazakhstan travel guide just for you guys. It comes with 2 full itineraries and you can get it by just clicking the link in the description below. This guide literally saves you hours of research. You can spend more time enjoying in Kazakhstan and less time Googling. So pause the video right now, go to the video's description and click on that link to get your guide now. अब अलमाटी से थोड़े ही दूर, there are day trips that you can take to spend a whole day indulging in some fun activities, and here are my 2 suggestions. Shambulak is just 25 kilometers from Almaty in the Ilatao mountains. To get here, take bus number 12 from the city to Medeo ice skating rink, and from there, cable cars will take you up to Shambulak. So the return transport from this place plus cable cars cost you around rupees 1200 to 1500 per person. In winter, it's Kazakhstan's premier ski resort. You can rent gear, ski, snowboard, or even just sip hot chocolate in a cafe overlooking snow-capped peaks if you don't want to ski. In summer, it transforms into a hiking and mountain biking hub. The views are incredible year-round. There are 3 levels of cable cars. Even if you don't ski, just riding them is worth it. At the top, you reach 3,200 meters above sea level. Pura Switzerland wala feel, but so much closer to India and so much cheaper. If Shambulak is for adventure, Tao Spa is for relaxation. It's about 40 minutes drive from Almaty. A taxi costs around rupees 800 to 1000 and entry tickets are roughly 1200 to 1500 per person. याद रखना कि यहाँ पे आपको टावल और स्लीपर्स कंपल्सरी लेकर अंदर जाना पड़ेगा, लेकिन अगर आप घर से लेके आ रहे हो तो you can save that cost of buying it over here at the reception. Tao Spa has everything: thermal pools, indoor and outdoor swimming pools, Finnish and Russian spas, saunas, hammams, and even snow rooms. Imagine sitting in a hot pool while looking at pine-covered mountains. Pura luxury. Locals spend entire weekends here. Food and drinks are available inside and prices are reasonable. Now the best part is that it's family friendly, it's safe, and you can easily spend around 5 to 6 hours here just unwinding. There's every kind of hammam and spa that you can think of from different countries across the world. So if you're planning a balanced itinerary, एक दिन Shambulak for adventure and next day Tao Spa for pure chill. कजाकिस्तान अपने लेक्स के लिए काफी फेमस है और ये लेक्स एकदम फेरी टेल जैसा फील देते हैं. Here are 2 that you must visit. Called the Pearl of Tian Shan Mountains, just about 5 hours from Almaty is the Kolsai Lake. Public buses are limited, so it's best to book a tour. A day trip costs around rupees 5,500 to 6,500 per person along with transport. The things to do here are you can go boating, hiking, camping, or horse riding with the locals. It's calm, it's scenic, and it feels untouched. And like I told you, the link in my description has all the contact numbers from any tours you want to book to get to the lake. Close to Kolsai, the Candy Lake is surreal because of its submerged pine trees rising out of turquoise water. Photos यहाँ के वायरल होते हैं. Usually both Kolsai and Candy are covered in the same tour और मेरी तरह अगर आप विंटर में जाओगे तो ये completely आपको frozen मिलेंगे, a different landscape altogether. Summer में ये emerald color के दिखते हैं. और अब चलते हैं to Central Asia का अपना own Grand Canyon, the Sharon Canyon. About 3 to 4 hours from Almaty, Sharon Canyon is known as the Grand Canyon of Central Asia. Tours cost about rupees 4,500 to 6,000 per person. The Valley of Castles is the highlight with towering rock formations. You can hike down, spend 2 to 3 hours walking and just soak in the views. Don't forget to carry a lot of water, sunscreen, and wear really good shoes. It's hot in summer and it's quite cold in the winters. हर सीजन का अपना चार्म होता है, but these are the best times to plan Kazakhstan. The best time to visit Kazakhstan is May to October for the lakes, canyons, and mountains. July to August is the warmest months. If you want snow sports, go in December to February for Shambulak. Spring and autumn are perfect if you want pleasant weather and fewer tourists. And if you're interested to know in the month that I visited, where you're seeing this footage from, well, I visited in January. Kazakhstan is generally very safe for tourists. Petty theft is rare, violent crime is almost unheard of. Almaty feels modern and welcoming. बस कॉमन सेंस टिप्स याद रखना जो आपको कहीं भी ट्रैवल करते टाइम याद रखने चाहिए. अवॉइड अनलाइसेंस्ड टैक्सीज, keep cache in different places, and use Google Maps offline. Even solo travelers, including women, rate Kazakhstan as very safe. Well, that was your complete Kazakhstan travel guide. From exploring Almaty and tasting Rakhat chocolates to skiing in Shembulak, relaxing at Tau Spa, trekking around the turquoise lakes, and standing at the edge of the Sharon Canyon. Kazakhstan literally has so much to offer. Of course, you can pair other cities like Astana as well, but since I visited during January, it was super cold to be visiting Astana, and so I skipped it. For detailed contacts and tour companies for Kolsai, Kandy, Sharon, and more information, you can grab my full guide from the link in the description. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more real practical travel guides, and comment agar koi aur sawal ho. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.